Hey, I'm Maggie from Polished Closets, and today I'm installing some gorgeous new Vantage shutters. I started vlogging 5 years ago, and I started because I always loved sharing fashion and lifestyle. All my friends wanted to know where I got things, and my blog definitely filled a creative void in my life. My personal style is definitely more classic, but also trendy, affordable pieces that you can mix and match and just show your personality through. When I was looking for shutters, I was able to browse through pages and pages of all the different styles, all the price options. It was really easy to sort through once I figured out the style that I was looking for. We ended up going with the board and batten style because we really liked how it was kind of modern but also a little more traditional. We would just drive around neighborhoods and look at other people's shutters and see what we liked, and those were always the shutters that stood out to us. So I would say I'm actually pretty handy. I take pride in that. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy trying to learn how to fix things and make it work. Don't tell my husband, but I'm definitely the handy person in the house, so. Installing the shutters was actually surprisingly easy. In my mind, I had thought it was going to be very intricate and detailed, but really you just put them up next to the window and drill a hole. It was that simple. If you can put together a piece of furniture, you could definitely put these shutters on, because I think even somebody who isn't handy, like my husband, could definitely do it. I'm obsessed with the way our house looks, with the shutters, with the color that we picked out. I think it makes our house look awesome. I love them.